What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. I'm looking extra cool today. We're gonna go over Solana. We're sitting at 175. We're down 2.9 on the day. Currently in a trade that almost hit our TP1. Market cap 81.34 billion. 24-hour volume 2.89 billion. So as you can see right here, we're just about to hit our TP1. Just a little bit of pullback. We almost hit it. I gave the signal in the Discord. You can get completely free access to my trade signals at the end of the video. We're also in trades for Gala Ethereum. So off the low, we have a 1-2, beautiful succulent wave 3. Let's see where we pushed up. Trend base strip extension, bottom of wave 1 to the top, bottom of wave 2. Yeah, so we pushed right up to the 261.8. So we had a nice little overextension on the wave 3. Now we're pulling back into wave 4. So we'll look for a bounce in between 171 and 156. Push up in the wave 5, complete that impulse, see a bit of a larger pullback, and then continuation back to the upside. Go up and hit our TP1. So basically what it's going to look like, we're going to push up, we're going to hit that TP1, complete the 5-way move, see a bit of a larger pullback, and then push right up to TP2 and TP3. That's what I'm looking at. As you can see, we broke out of this double bottom within this larger double bottom. So once we come up, we test that neckline, we break it, might see a little bit of a fake out and then bounce. And then you have a big, juicy, succulent target from this double bottom that will take you all the way up past our TP2 towards our TP3 to 253 for our friend's soul. So that's what we're looking at. Keep it simple. It doesn't need to be complicated. Look for a bounce in the short term from this pullback zone to push up in a wave 5. If you want completely free access to my trade signals, all you have to do is sign up to BITUNIX. No KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. 10% back on every single trade on your fees. Once you sign up, you make your first deposit. It can be $10, $100, doesn't matter. Just send me email. I'll give you completely free access for life to my VIP rooms, which include my daily crypto analysis, my exact trade setups. We're in 3 trades right now. Absolutely smashing it on Forex this week as well. We've already hit 2 of our take profits. We did have 1 stop loss, but we also have like 3 or 4 trades that are open that are heading towards their TPs. So that's pretty succulent. So completely free access with a sign up and deposit to BITUNIX. Just send me email. We have almost 3,000 members in the Discord. All links down below. Wow, a lot of people joined. All links down below. Smash up that like button. Subscribe if you're new. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.